Hello everyone! In one of the previous videos, we created this simple Jetpack prototype with camera follow effect. I'll put a link to that video into the description. In this video, we will add a fuel meter to this game. So while our spaceman has fuel, he can go up. When fuel is over, then spaceman can't go up anymore. So here is our project previously created. First of all, let's create new UI canvas and set its scale mode to scale with screen size, so our UI elements will be scaled depending on screen size of particular mobile device. Next, right-click on canvas and create new UI text. I rename it as fuel meter. Double-click to focus on it. Here it is in the middle of our canvas. Let's edit it a bit. I change font family by dragging and dropping one of my favorite fonts, named Chunk 5, into font slot. Change font size to greater 1, align text to the middle, make text container bigger, and position it about at the top of the canvas. Change font color to white. There is no actual need to change text field here in Inspector, because it will be modified in the script later on, but I'll do it just to make it clear what is this text object for. OK. Now, to be able to control this fuel meter, we have to modify Jetpack script attached to our spaceman. I've already modified it, so let me show you what was new here. To control UI elements, such as text, we need to use Unity Engine UI library. Here it is. Next new things here are text fuel meter reference, which help us to control UI text element, and fuel amount variable that holds current amount of fuel, which is set to 100 in start method. Then in update method, we set text field value of fuel meter as fuel plus fuel amount converted to string plus percentage sign. Also, now we should check if fuel amount equals to 0, and if it is, then we turn Jetpack engine off and disable fire game object. Next, let's take a look at these two lines of code. First one, which is commented at the moment, allows us to control our Jetpack engine with finger touch if we want to run our game on mobile device. The second line allows us to test our game in editor and control Jetpack engine with mouse click. Comment first line and play in editor, comment second line and play on your mobile device. Anyway, in this block of code, there is a new line which starts coroutine named burn fuel when engine is on. Here is this coroutine, which contains a loop that goes from current amount of fuel value down to 0 with a step equals to 1. Fuel amount is decreased by 1 within each iteration, which is paused by 0.01 second. If we release left mouse button, then coroutine stops with current value of fuel amount. These are all of the changes in Jetpack script. Now, select spaceman and drag and drop fuel meter text game object into fuel meter slot of Jetpack script component. Now it's controllable with this script. That's it. Now we can hit play and see how it works in editor. Mouse button down, spaceman goes up while he has enough of the fuel. No fuel, no fly. Now let's modify our script so we can test it on mobile device. Uncomment lines with touch functionality and comment lines with mouse one. Create an Android APK file and try it out. This is how it works on my phone. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.